Welcome back, folks. Today, we're diving into an exciting review of the top 6 products known for their stellar performance, affordability, and unbeatable value. Don't forget to hit the description for the latest prices and all the juicy details. CIVIVI Mini Praxis. The CIVIVI Mini Praxis folding pocket knife is a compact, versatile tool designed for everyday carry, EDC, and outdoor enthusiasts. Featuring a 2.98-inch D2 steel blade, this knife offers exceptional hardness, edge retention, and corrosion resistance, making it ideal for various cutting tasks. The blade's sharp, precise edge ensures reliable performance, whether you're camping, hiking, or tackling daily chores. The knife's handle is crafted from durable G10 material, providing a comfortable and secure grip. The textured surface enhances grip stability, even in wet conditions, ensuring safe and efficient use. The Mini Praxis's ergonomic design ensures ease of handling and reduce hand fatigue during extended uses. Equipped with a sturdy pocket clip, the CIVIVI Mini Praxis is convenient to carry, keeping it easily accessible whenever you need it. The reliable liner lock mechanism ensures the blade stays securely in place during use, while the smooth ball-bearing pivot system allows for quick and effortless one-handed opening. Stylish and practical, the CIVIVI Mini Praxis folding pocket knife, model C18026C1, is an essential tool for men and women who value quality, functionality, and portability in their EDC gear. FUNBRO. The black-coated stainless steel handle has a unique texture for a firm grip and feels great in your hand. This cool survival knife, with a window breaker, can handle emergency tasks outdoors. It's easy to maintain. The pocket knife has a clip that attaches to pockets or backpacks, preventing loss during outdoor activities. This everyday carry, EDC knife can handle daily tasks like opening mail, helping with food prep, and cutting rope or other items. With a ball-bearing pivot, the blade opens smoothly and is safe and easy for both left and right-handed users to operate without worrying about unexpected closure. It's a great gift for men, dads, and husbands. The 7CR13 Mauve stainless steel blade has great hardness and excellent corrosion resistance, making it sharp and effective for puncturing and piercing. This slim Tonto knife is a reliable EDC knife with smooth action, a solid blade, and a sturdy frame. Kershaw Appa. The Kershaw Appa folding tactical pocket knife is a compact, reliable tool designed for everyday carry, EDC. This knife has a 2.75-inch black oxide-coated blade and a sleek tactical look while providing excellent corrosion resistance and durability. The blade's sharp edge ensures efficient cutting performance for various tasks, from opening packages to outdoor adventures. This knife boasts Kershaw's speed-safe assisted opening, allowing for quick and easy one-handed deployment. The flipper mechanism ensures smooth and rapid access to the blade, enhancing convenience and readiness in any situation. The secure liner lock keeps the blades in place during use, ensuring safety and stability. The Appa's handle is crafted from durable, lightweight materials, making it comfortable to carry and use. The black handle complements the blade's finish, offering a cohesive and stylish appearance. The textured surface provides a secure grip, even in challenging conditions. Equipped with a reversible pocket clip, the Kershaw Appa is easy to carry in your pocket or on your gear, making it readily accessible whenever you need it. Small, lightweight, and practical, the Kershaw Appa folding tactical pocket knife is an essential EDC tool for those who value functionality and style. Vosteed Corgi. The Corgi showcases our innovative Trek lock, engineered by UA, providing unparalleled functionality. Its symmetrical front flippers and a ball-bearing system ensure smooth and engaging operation. The knife's design exudes symmetry, with a unique 180-degree rotation angle that seamlessly conceals the blade within the handle. Its sleek, rounded profile makes it not only comfortable to hold, but also an elegant choice for both office and dinner settings. The brass version, featuring plate inserts for added stability and aesthetic appeal, exudes a retro, classy charm. The recessed, textured button enhances control, while the color-matched backspacer with a lanyard attachment adds to its cohesive design. The Corgi boasts a 2.99-inch 14C28N modified drop-point blade with a flat grind, striking a balance between EDC convenience and functionality. Its compact sizes make it a perfect companion for short trips, ensuring you're always prepared for whatever comes your way. CJRB Hectare. The CJRB Hectare folding pocket knife is a reliable companion for both men and women, crafted for everyday carry, EDC, and outdoor adventures. This knife features a 3.15-inch blade made from AR RPM9 powder steel and offers exceptional hardness, edge retention, and corrosion resistance, ensuring long-lasting performance in various environments. Whether you're camping, hiking, or simply tackling daily tasks, the Hectare delivers sharp cutting power when you need it most. Its handle, constructed from durable G10 material, provides a comfortable and secure grip for confident handling in any situation. The vibrant yellow color adds a touch of styles while enhancing visibility, making it easy to locate in your gear or pocket. Equipped with a convenient pocket clip, the CJRB Hectare is designed for easy carry, ensuring quick access whenever you need it. The compact sizes and lightweight designs make it ideal for everyday use, while its versatility and durability make it a reliable tool for outdoor adventures. With its sharp blade, durable construction, and stylish design, the CJRB Hectare folding pocket knife, model J1935, is a must-have for anyone seeking a practical yet stylish EDC companion. SOG Terminus XR G10. This knife offers 3 different ways to open it, catering to different preferences and situations: thumb stud, XR lock, and kick. You can easily adapt to any scenario. Designed for a secure and quick locking action, it ensures the blade stays firmly in place during use. What makes the XR locking mechanism special is its ability to adjust smoothly over the knife's lifespan. The D2 steel blade is exceptionally tough and resistant to wear, making it suitable for a wide range of cutting tasks. The knife is fully ambidextrous, with a swappable belt clip for left or right wear. Whether you're climbing into tree stands, scaling mountains, or just carrying your knife at work, this everyday knife is for you. Made with precision and designed for performance, it's engineered to excel in various cutting tasks. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channels and please hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.